Hi, welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with 19 brand courses from Upgrade. And Upgrade is one of the most top e-learning portal in India at the current time. So its certificate has a huge market value and huge popularity in the market, especially in the Indian market. So you can imagine how this certificate is going to change your life. And this upgrade is providing 19 free courses in this lockdown. You can earn those certificates. So let me first tell you how expensive the upgrade course is. So there is some courses up to 2 lakhs. One course, for completion of one course you have to pay around 2 lakhs on this platform. So I will show you, you can see. So Upgrade, and you can see here advanced certification in machine learning and cloud from IIT Madras. So in this course you can let me go down, and I will this type of certificate those people will get. And you can see now here the program fee is 2 lakhs. So you can imagine how this big organization and platform this is, and how this certificate is going to change your career. So please you enroll and do some courses from this website. I will suggest you each and every step. So at first please you subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have subscribed then thank you very much. You give me some suggestion and feedback so I can do better, and I will try to provide the more advanced courses, the free courses which you can learn in this lockdown period. So now I am going to just answer you the some question at first. So this, once you log in, once you create the account on Upgrade, you can access the course for 3 months. Around 3 months you can access free of cost. And once you complete the course after 5 days, only completion after completion of course, then after 5 days it took to create the certificate, and those certificate will directly directly sent to the your mail, the registered mail. So this is the process regarding this course. And now I am going to create one account, and I am going to tell what are the courses. So those all courses are data science, technology, marketing. You can see here marketing. So those all are those digital marketing. Those all courses are from this domain only. So let me first sign up. So for sign up you just need to mention name and last name. So I am just mentioning Aman. This is just I am for the sake of showing I am putting this name Aman Kumar. Okay. Oh, Aman Kumar. Okay, my net system is working a bit slowly. Okay, and password I am creating. Okay. So these are the field you have to fill. Okay. So I am keeping the phone number and city. So you can select the city and go for the sign. So this much only you need to create the account. You can see here within 30 seconds, within 1 minute we can create the account, and after that we can go and enroll the course. So here is the details, what are the courses on the scroll board. You can see here those courses, free courses are going on here, and this is registered is done, and this is the course, what are the course there available. So the details are here, the provided. So you can see here there are these courses, these 19 courses are available. So what are those courses? Management Essential. So that is 3 weeks course. Getting started with digital marketing. Digital marketing means anything whatever you are advertising on the online platform, that is digital marketing, either Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram. So those all are digital marketing, and this has the very huge scope and huge demand in today's market. So you can also go with this is 6-week course, business analytics starter pack, and this is the Python for data science. So even data science is the new technology and advanced technology you can go with. And this is introduction to machine learning concept, so you can understand this day everything is coming with machine learning. So machine learning is the very important topic. Already I have shown that the machine learning course here, the full course, they are offering at 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs you can see, okay, where it is 2 lakhs you have to pay. So from those only they are providing some concepts, so you can learn and experience those three. And the second next course is introduction to deep learning and neural language processing. Sorry, natural language processing. So this is everything now. Even mobile is coming with the natural processing. So when you type like regularly, you are starting on WhatsApp or Facebook. So when you type like A, then ambition. When you are typing Z, then automatically they provide word like good, good night, good afternoon, good morning. So what you are using must, they are providing those related word only. So that is machine learning, natural processing, deep learning, natural processing technology is there. So you can understand those importance. The next is introduction to blockchain. So this has also huge market, and now in coming 20 to 15 years, this world is going to change decentralized system. There will not be any bank. The people will use blockchain technology and use that. The Bitcoin is the first example and very famous technology of the blockchain. So you can understand how the Bitcoin is making the huge difference in the market. So you can understand. The next is getting started with Java programming. So this is 6 weeks. Of course, there is lots of course, lots of concept. So you go through. You can understand from the course value, the course cost. You can understand the platform, how those contents they might have provided. So you can understand for one course, this platform is charging around 2 lakhs. Then of course the other courses is having the huge and the very nice contents only. So you go through this course and gain the knowledge. The next is getting started with front-end development. So you can go with this for web development. So this is the one of the best course. Other is blockchain development, starting of web, data science in e-commerce like there is e-commerce so many like Flipkart, Baba Adam, and there is Amazon. So like that e-commerce website. So those all are there. And getting started with SQL programming. So those all database for backend, you need the database. For regarding that there is the course. And other is getting started with Excel basic and advanced. This is the nice course. This is required for everyone. Every person need this knowledge. This is the basic one, and everyone must know this to be smart in work or at workplace or to manage anything. So you can enroll. Other is Node.js for the beginners. So this day Node.js is also having the very good market. You can go with. The next is crack interview with data structure and algorithm. So this is also the so important course, because this day most of the IT companies and product based companies, service based company, when they are coming to recruit the freshers and other people, they are mostly asking questions related from the data structure and algorithm, because those people are mostly seeking coders. So the person who knows coding and brief details about data structure and algorithm. So this may help you. Other is mastering React.js with phone directory application. learn top digital marketing skills. So digital marketing has the huge scope already. I have told. I have already provided so many free courses and internship. When you visit those internship means out of 100 you are going to definitely get 60 of them is regarding digital marketing. So you can understand how the importance of digital marketing in the today's world. So you can learn those course. The other is all about social media marketing. So what are the social media marketing, how you can, so even this is from the marketing course only, so you can enroll and get the advantage. So now I am going to enroll you and show you the how to enroll. So I am going for the basic Excel. So register, and once you click, boom, this is completed. This is completed. Just wait. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, boom. You can see here. You can see here now the course is registered. So you can see how it is simple. You just sign up by giving your name, first name, email, phone number and your address, and after that you just go to the course and the boom, you will get everything. So don't worry guys, I will provide this link in the video description as well as the comment section, so you can easily go through the website and enroll the course. And if you have got this video helpful, then please you subscribe the channel and also recommend this channel to your friend and share this video with your friend, the link of this video with your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, Instagram group or Facebook, so your friends will also get help and they will definitely appreciate you for providing this information and making them know about this great opportunity to enroll and complete 19 advanced course from Upgrade. So thanks again you all. Please stay safe at home, stay happy and stay learning, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and the person who have subscribed, then please you do give us some feedbacks, then I can do some modification and some try to give some advanced content, so you will get more benefit. So thanks.